Good morning, students. Welcome to English class. Today we are going to study a new topic. Students, do you know what is a bridge? Very good. A bridge connects two lands. A bridge connects two buildings. A bridge connects two mountains. Like that, there is a word in English that joins two words. We are going to find out the joining words in the following sentences. I want a pen and pencil. My father and mother went to Madras. John and Jane are friends. Students, did you find? Very good. And is used to join two words. Rule number 1, and is used to join two words. What is that word? Conjunction. Very good. What is a conjunction? What is a conjunction? Conjunction is a joining word. Students, now we are going to do one exercise. Filling the blanks with and. David, Radha are classmates. Mr. Krishnan dash Mrs. Krishnan are teachers. Children must eat fruits dash nuts. She went to the shop dash bought a bag. Students, can you find out the answers? Very good. Read along with me. David and Radha are friends. Here, David and Radha are names of two persons. It is joined using the word and. Next sentence, Mr. Krishnan and Mrs. Krishnan are teachers. Here, Mr. Krishnan and Mrs. Krishnan are joined using the word and. Children must eat fruits and nuts. Here, the word fruits, nuts. These two words are joined using the word and. Next sentence, she went to the shop and bought a bag. Shop, bag. The word and is used to join these two words. Next rule, to use the conjunction. Students, look at the following sentences. Shall we read together? Read the first sentence. The cat jumped up. The next sentence. The cat jumped down. Read it again. The cat jumped up. The cat jumped down. Both the sentences talk about the same cat, but it's different action. In the first sentence, the cat jumped up. In the second sentence, the cat jumped down. So, you can join these two sentences using a single word. Do you know which word? Yes, very good. The word and. Look at the first sentence. The cat. The cat. In the second sentence also, the cat, same noun. In the first sentence, the verb jumped, that is the action word. In the second sentence also, jumped, the action word is same. So we must join the up from the first sentence and down from the second sentence. So you can write the sentence as the cat, the cat. So here also you can write the cat. Here also jumped. In the second sentence also jumped. So here also I have written jumped. The two different words are up in the first sentence and down in the second sentence. So I have written the sentence as the cat jumped up and down. The cat jumped up and down. This single sentence gives the same meaning of the separate two sentences. From the above sentence, we understand that and can be used to join two sentences. What is the rule number 2? And can be used to join two sentences. Shall we rewrite one more sentence using and? Ravi came into the class. Ravi sat down. Now we are going to join these two sentences using and. Ravi came into the class. Here also the noun is Ravi. Here also the noun is Ravi. In the first sentence, his action is he came into the class. In the next sentence, his action is he sat down. So, you can write these two sentences into one sentence using and. Using and, we have joined these two sentences into this one sentence. How? Ravi came into the class. Ravi sat down. Here the answer is Ravi came into the class and sat down. Students, now you understand how to join two sentences using the word and. Students, shall we see one more example? Minnie went to the shop. Minnie bought a bag. Here, Minnie, same noun. What is the action in the first sentence? Went to the shop. What is her action in the second sentence? Bought a bag. So, using and, we are going to join these two sentences. Now we have joined these two sentences using the word and. Read along with me. Minnie went to the shop and bought a bag. Again, Minnie went to the shop and bought a bag. Children, I hope you all have understood what is conjunction. Shall we meet in the next class? Bye. Thank you.